This is Lacey. Lacey is tired of handing over her hard-earned money every month for rent. Lacey would like to buy her own home, but is frustrated because she's not sure where to start or what is available for homes that fit her price range and lifestyle. Lacey called Eli. With Eli's experience and extensive knowledge of the market, Eli narrowed down the search and personally toured homes with Lacey that fit her criteria. Lacey fell in love with this home. Eli handled all the paperwork and negotiated on Lacey's behalf. Lacey is now the happy owner of her new home. If you're serious about home ownership, work with a real estate professional who will work for you. Eli Torres, Keller Williams Realty, Clear Lake, 832-425-5783, or on the web at elitorres.com.